To Vlogmas Day 5. We're on Vlogmas Day 5. If you're new, hi, my name is Tabby. Welcome to Women 50 and Beyond. My content is based on beauty, fashion, everything lifestyle. That's my cup of tea. I'll be 53 December 21st. So let's get into this video. As you can see, I'm doing Vlogmas for the 27 days of December, and I'm on day 5. I'm trying to stay consistent. No, I am staying consistent except that one glitch. So you got 2 videos in one day. But with that being said, if you are new, welcome. I appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload. I'm kind of liking, I know, fix that, Tara. I am loving this year's Vlogmas because I am doing it with a theme, but I'm hoping you all enjoy it as well. So with that being said, as you can see in front of me, I have a box called Every Plate. It's a company, a subscription thing. This is not sponsored yet, but this is not sponsored. I have this box here. I've been wanting to try a subscription food thing, so we're gonna get into that a little later. I will put a description, this down in the description box if you are interested. Once again, this is not a paid video, a sponsored video. So let's get into this food thing. It's been Thanksgiving on the 25th of November. This is the 5th of December. I was over food. I'm not a leftover person, so I was over food the second day, but I ate it all the way through till I got, you know, anywho. But like I said, if you're new, thank you for tuning in. Do me a favor, I appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and the notification button. I'm not gonna even lie to you, I've been dealing with a headache all day. Since yesterday. It looked like they double taped this. And this was double taped. Like it was taped and opened and then taped back again. So, what comes in this box here, let's put on my glasses. I'm gonna put on my glasses. Okay, they have recipe cards. Let's see what we have here. I'm cooking this tonight, so I would do a B-roll on this. This is cheesy Tex-Mex pork burger. Ooh, with potatoes. Potato wedges, caramelized onions and potatoes. We're gonna leave the onions out because I don't eat onions. It has yolk on gold potatoes. I think that's what that is. Okay, we have here a couple, I think it's supposed to be 5 meals. We'll see in a second. No ma'am. We're doing the cheesy Tex-Mex pork burger. Yes, I said pork. With caramelized onions and potatoes. We're going to exit out the onions because I don't eat onions, and technically I'm allergic to onions. I've never liked onions anyway. So it has gold potatoes, garlic, onion, salt, and it gives you the recipe on the back, step by step. So if you've never cooked a day in your life, this is for you. This is cute. Let's go on to the next one. This one is the sweet chili chicken and snow pea stir fry with garlic rice. Okay. And then this one here is the dinner style chicken and gravy with garlic mashed potatoes and lemon butter peas. Okay, and then it tells you, it just gives you, let's do this thing. Okay, as far as the subscription part goes, I will, as a monthly subscription, a weekly subscription, because you can do weekly meals, and you get your first month free. But we'll see before I promote it anymore if I actually like it. So, let's see what's in this box, shall we? Check out my other videos I did 1 through 4 Vlogmas. They were really nice. I did the tree lighting thing. Okay. They have, which is warming up, the sweet peas. 2 buns, because this is a meal for 2. They have the jasmine rice. They have the chickpeas. Oh no, these are snow peas, my bad. And they have lemons and potatoes. Then you have the Mexican cheese. I think that's the Mexican cheese. Then you have the cornstarch. Then you have garlic. 90% of the time, these 2 I will not use. Only thing with this subscription, you can't substitute. That's what I don't like, because there's some things I don't eat and I am. So this is a no for me. Then you have some sour cream. Then you have, I have no idea what sauce this is because I can't see. Then you have some sauces. We have to figure this out before we cook it. Then you have some Southern Sweet Blend, warm and smoky. It gives you the measurements. Then you have some chicken's pack seasoning, whatever that is. Let's put that down there. Then you have this big block of ice. You have boneless chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast. You have 2 of those. Actually, you have 4 of those. Four of those. You have the ground pork. This is going to be interesting. You have ground beef and you have beef ranch steak. And then you have boneless chicken again, boneless chicken again. I'm a little confused on this because it's supposed to be 5 meals, I believe. Where's my cellular device? Let's look on this here app and see what's going on here, because this does not look like. Because they only give you 3 recipe cards. Yeah, 3 recipe cards. Let's see what this is. I'm confused. 90% of the time, I'm not going to use this again. Okay, cheesy Tex pork burger, sweet chili stir fry, chicken stir fry, dinner style chicken and gravy. That's this. That's that. Then you get 4 chicken breasts, ranch steaks, beef, ground beef, 4 chicken breasts. I'm confused. It says you select 5 recipes. I'm not understanding. I only see 3. 1, 2, 3. You get a protein pack. That's just meat. Then another protein pack. That's meat. That's not 5 recipes. We're not using this again. They're so confusing. And the selections that they give you wasn't the selections. Anywho, I'm not liking this at all. I mean, I got meat, but yeah. So the 3 meals. Today we're going to do the cheesy Tex-Mex pork burger. That's what we're doing today. Because I'm hungry. Let's get this out the way. thank you for watching, and we're about to taste this burger with the spicy ketchup stuff that they call it. So this is a cheesy Tex-Mex pork burger with caramelized onions and wedges. I didn't do the onions because I'm allergic to onions, but this is what I made. So let's bite into it. And before I get a mouthful, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Cooks for One. Tune in for my next meal. I'm gonna put a poll up on Instagram which one I should do. So let's get a bite of this. Oh, also I paired it with a Pinot red wine. Okay, this is actually good. Okay, got me on this one. Okay, I'm loving the flavors. So, with that being said, I'm about to eat the rest of this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.